Hello, my dear student. Geometry, lecture number 8, chapter number 5, coordinate geometry. In this lecture, I am going to explain you some example from practice set 5.2, page number 115. Question number 5. Find the ratio in which point PK7 divides the segment joining A 8 9 and B 1 2. Also find K. Okay. Now try to understand solution. Solution. Let point P K7 divide sec AB in the ratio m is to n. Then by section formula, now draw this figure. A 8 9, B 1 2, P K7. This P divides sec AB in the ratio m is to n. Okay. Now by section formula, Pxy is equal to mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n, my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n, and therefore Pk7 is equal to m into 1 plus n into 8 upon m plus n, m into 2 plus n into 9 upon m plus n, and therefore Pk7 is equal to m plus 8n upon m plus n, 2m into 9n upon m plus n. Comparing coordinates, so 7 is equal to 2m plus 9 upon m plus n, and therefore this you simplify, therefore 7m plus 7n is equal to 2m plus 9, and therefore 7m, this 2m you transfer on this side, so minus m is equal to 9n minus 7n, and therefore 5m is equal to 2n, and therefore m upon n is equal to 2 upon 5, and hence point P divides sec AB in the ratio m is to n, that is 2 is to 5. Okay. Now then find the value of K. Now K is equal to, means this you compare with this, so K is equal to m plus 8n upon m plus n is equal to, you know, m and n, therefore 2 plus this, for m you substitute 2 plus 8 into 5 upon 2 plus 5 is equal to 42 upon 7 is equal to 6. Hence point P divides sec AB in the ratio 2 is to 5 and K is equal to 6. Okay. Then I will take question number 6. Find the coordinate of midpoint of the segment joining the points 22 20 and 0 16. Solution. Let A 22 20 is equal to x1 y1, B 0 16 is equal to x2 y2. Let M be the midpoint m is equal to xy, then by midpoint formula mxy is equal to x1 plus x2 upon 2 y1 plus y2 upon 2. Then simply you substitute values. So 22 plus 0 upon 2 and 20 plus 16 upon 2 is equal to 11 upon 11 18, and therefore coordinate of midpoint is 11 18. Okay, then one more question I'll explain you. Question number 7. Find the centroid of the triangle whose vertices are minus 7 6, 2 minus 2 and 8 5. Now write down your solution. Let a minus 7 6 is equal to x1 y1, b 2 minus 2 is equal to x2 y2, and c 8 5 is equal to x3 y3. Now in this case, one thing you remember, write your points below each other so that you will find the one you can substitute the values in formula very easily. Okay. Now by centroid formula, G means centroid, is equal to, you know formula, x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3 and y1 plus y2 plus y3 upon 3, and therefore G is equal to, from this start, 7 minus 7 plus 2 plus 8 upon 3 and 6 minus 2 plus 5 upon 3, and then you simplify, and therefore this is equal to 3 upon 3 and this is equal to 9 upon 3, and therefore G is equal to 1 3, and hence centroid of the given triangle is 1 3. Okay. Now today it is enough. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. And if you have any question, put in comment box. Thank you.